take a couple steps in spot, and then you can stop. Yep. I always say 80% of the population has this so far. Nothing new. Turn to the side. And then just peel the back. She sits a lot during the day, so she's having some upper back, neck. And then you were saying you felt something weird at the base of your skull.
Yeah, right here.
All right, so go ahead and have a seat. Let me check that out here. Do you notice that it's harder to turn your head to the left than the right?
Uh-huh, yeah.
Like if you go ahead and turn to the left as much as you can. Okay, and then to the right. Oh yeah. Night and day. Okay, so it's only about a loss of maybe 10 degrees. So it's not like you're super, but that's where it is?
Yeah.
All right. Do you see how there's no discs up here?
Yeah.
Nothing. It's just, this is designed to do that.
Okay.
That's 50% of your range of motion. Yours is just happens to be C1 is rotated like that, and C2 is also rotated like that. And when they're stuck like that, you're saying you also have numbness in the right. Why? That makes more sense to me now, because if you're stuck like this, unconsciously, what are you going to do to try to look that way? Turn your shoulder forward.
Yeah.
So that will pinch the brachial plexus, or the nerves going through your chest to your arm here.
Okay.
Now, how painful is that?
It's pretty sharp. I'm not gonna lie.
Super painful?
Yeah, it's not super, but it's a shock. That for sure.
Okay. A little bit of edema even on the left. So that tells me that it's rocked backwards. The whole thing is out and to the right.
Okay.
So we got to rock that back under the skull. It's from looking down.
Okay.
Because also 50% of your range of motion is up here, right, left, and also up down is up high. Okay. So yeah, your atlas is rocked back out from looking down a lot.
Okay.
So what does that mean? I'm going to come in here, chin back for me, and tuck this under.
Okay.
Now see, this is where I want to go, but the body's kind of going, I don't like that. It's because it's spent so much time in another place.
Yeah.
All this misalignment tells me is how I'm going to adjust it.
Okay.
Because I don't want to adjust something further out of alignment.
Yeah.
That would not be good, obviously. So in order for me to get a good adjustment, I'm going to relax all of this. Okay. You're going to feel all kinds of sensations.
Okay.
People call it like the tingles.
Okay.
It's all normal. I'm right on where the nerves exit the spine. So yeah, I'm going to see if I can't get a little bit more into there.
Okay.
If you can't handle it, let me know.
Okay.
I don't have to go that hard.
Okay.
Yeah, you got a lump right there too.
Yeah.
All right, I'm up into the skull here, occiput.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Woo. There's a couple trigger points up in there.
Yeah.
They kind of run vertically, so I just kind of go see if I can't get them to relax. All right, here we go. You ready? Okay, I'm going to traction a little bit. It's still swollen on this right side. All right, I'm going to turn it this way, and then your chin goes up, and then I tap you. Okay, just like that. That was a baby adjustment.
Oh.
Here we go. So here's C2. Perfect.
I feel cold.
Cold? Right. I think you just shocked yourself. Shake him out. You're like, I went dead on this side. It should be coming back. Is it coming back?
Yeah, it is. It's good.
I think you scared yourself. I'm like, cold. All right.
It's just like a rush of like your body's like.
It's
what?
probably adrenaline.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Okay, so same thing. It's not bad. Okay. There it is. I just knew I didn't get it all. Okay, did you go cold on that side?
Yes.
Okay, yes. All right, here we go. It's draining.
Yeah.
Oh, it was just so congested on that right side. Ooh, get another layer. Look at that. You have C2 and C3. You might not be done.
It's okay.
I just I felt another one.
I feel it now too. I didn't feel it before either.
I wasn't really working this low. So C2 and C3 is about as low as I go.
Mm-hmm.
But usually it clears itself out on its own.
Mm-hmm.
But I guess because you're just new at this, it's not. I'm going to try it. Just a baby one.
Okay.
Relax here. There it is. Here's cold again.
No, not this time.
Proprioception. Perfect. So this was the ankle that was broken.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I can kind of feel it. It was broken over here.
Yeah.
Right there. Yeah, I'm like, oh, there's no bone there, but there should be a bone. No, there's a bone. It's just kind of moved out, shifted.
Okay.
How is it feeling in your neck?
It feels a lot clearer.
Okay,
Yeah.
now I'm going to have you slowly sit up. Let's go ahead and see if we can't.
Like this?
Mm-hmm. If I don't, I might not have gotten it all. I haven't gotten it all the shoulder.
Okay.
But yeah, that should feel a little
it,
better.
It does feel a little better.
So now, we'll do the shoulder. If I can get the shoulder down, you should be able to continue on through.
Okay.
Okay, so deep breath in. All the way out. Like that.
Okay.
Easy.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go, deep breath in again. Again. Oh no! This changes on everybody. This is also a variation. So you come down here, check leg lengths. She's got a right short. Oh, that stays short. Interesting. So a right short that stays short. Yeah, look at that. So let's go. We're going to raise this leg up straight as high as you can. Get good and stop. And down. And the other leg. And not so much on that way. Okay. I'm going to reach up here and press. Usually these tell me something. It's like tarot cards. I'm just kidding. What's interesting is that, see how this glides normally? So the part where you're not in the 80% is your pelvis.
Yeah, that
You're not surprised, huh?
Well, I went to the doctor one time because my mom noticed my leg was shorter on my right.
Yeah.
And he said, "Yeah, your left leg's longer." And then my brother goes, "Can we get a handicap parking spot
Oh my
for that?"
God.
And I was like, "You know what, Daniel? It's not very nice."
Shut up. Well, is it anatomically shorter?
I have no idea. I was really young when that happened, so.
Because if I do this to you and I move this lower, that evens it out. Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. Like, I don't think it's because your leg is short. I could, if you really wanted to, I can measure it with a tape measure.
No, I believe you.
But yeah, I can even see when you were doing the posture check that this was higher. Okay. It might even be a little bit anterior, that the sacral base over here is popped out. Right there. Okay. All that tells me is I got my work cut out for me.
Sorry.
In the lower back, okay? Oh, whoop-de-doo, you know. Everybody has it to a certain extent. Okay, green roller. The left side just is more prominent. Doing okay? just that right pelvic shift. Like pulling that up. Oh, see, right here, right there. Now that's on the right. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
This is pretty intense. This is the most intense that it gets. The green roller is just...
Killer.
Yeah, it's a killer. But it gets me started. You know what I forgot? I forgot to adjust T1 on the right. Whoops. I'm just kidding. All the way out. See that? Yay! Okay, now we can go back.
Okay.
I was like, why am I not having any flexibility? Ah, there we go. Again, just like I was talking about the upper neck rocking underneath the skull, this needs to rock underneath the head, entire head. Ooh, sorry. Ooh. You just let me know. Usually I can tell by people flinching and...
I got this. I got this.
Okay. Okay, you can just breathe. There, that's it, that's it. There you go. There we go. Upper back is loose. We've got that taken care of. Now I gotta get this lower left-hand side right here. I like your shirt. It reminds me of the
Thank you.
your Coca-Cola shirt, but like it's blue.
Is her Coca-Cola shirt red by any chance?
Yes.
Yeah, I have that.
Yeah, they like. It's like one of your favorite shirts. She ties it in a little knot just like you do. Did it come in a knot?
No.
Oh. Like, is that like a thing that I'm missing? Am I missing out on some fashion advice here? Is that I'm supposed to be wearing my shirt in a knot? I understand it makes it more form-fitting, because this fabric is really loose. It kind of looks floppy.
Yeah, I like the flop.
Yeah, right here. I know this has got to not feel the greatest, but I'm trying to bring this whole left side down. It's like you look normal. Sorry. You look balanced when we push this in. Okay, I'm trying to get this side. It's starting to come out here. I'm waiting for this side to react. It'll get there. It'll get there. There we go. All right. I'm going to go to the right-hand side. A little bit. This side is all contracted. You know, this whole side is just scrunched. Would you say it's worse on the right?
On my lower back, yeah.
Okay, so what I was trying to explain to you is that this whole side is lifted up like this. And what's interesting is most people compensate by having a longer leg on the left side. But for whatever reason, this is just, you're staying like this. You're not dropping it down. I'm exaggerating.
Yeah, okay.
I'm exaggerating. You're not quite.
Okay.
You're, but this is most people have this. They do this kind of thing. The body is so wonderful at adapting. Any obstacle that you give it, it will figure out a way to fix it. And in your exercises, you're going to be leaning more on your left to compress this side.
Okay.
Does that kind of make sense? I'm going to give you some exercises afterwards, and you'll get it.
Okay, perfect.
Ooh, got a knot over there. Alright, here's my little red star. It just saves my hands.
Yeah.
And I want to do a little bit deeper work. work your chin for me just a little bit. There we go. Got a big knot, big trigger point here. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
This arm behind your back for me. Very good. Just checking if there's anything under the scapula. Here we go. The other side. Let's see what's going on up here. Go down on this side. Kind of work into the pelvis even. Bust some of it up. Right there. Oh. I'm sorry.
You're good. I got this.
Okay, yeah, just breathe. Short sips of air. Oh, look at that. Have this arm over your head like that.
Like this?
Well, like just kind of like this, and then kind of lean. That's it. That's it. Now you're straight, believe it or not.
Oh.
Yeah. That's how much this is compressed. Now she's straight. So I'm like, here, lean almost like off the table almost. We got to really work on opening this up.
Okay.
Open this up. Yeah, thank you, Linnea. Just trying to. Whoosh. It's good. It's good. It's relaxing. You know, no knots. Except for this one little one over here.
I was like, yeah?
We only have one on this side. There it goes. I know, I'm sorry. Are you doing okay? This is, this side I don't, well, on the side of the sacrum. Everything is really glued over here. Oh. So what's happening is even though the sacrum is shifted this way, it's really just filling up with fluid over here as a reaction. Yeah. Your poor body. Oh. It's all right. Well, it's what my job is. This is all superficial. So I was working a good 2 to 3 inches into the soft tissue, and this blade is working only about the first centimeter. So it as I run a smooth edge over a surface, I can feel all of the little bumps, little adhesions.
Is it scar tissue? Or
Mm-hmm.
okay.
You know, it just from day-to-day living, we all have it.
Yeah.
You just need to clean that out. You want your muscles to be able to glide
Yeah.
without getting stuck. You don't want them to be sticky. Like your neck, I was kind of like, glide, glide. You don't want to get stuck on one side. Here we go. Now for this one, I want your right arm back over your head again. Yep. And then again, kind of falling off the table that way. Like move your head, your whole body like that. That's it. You got it. Here we go. Tickle, tickle.
Actually doesn't tickle that much on this side.
Okay.
It's
Well,
more painful, actually.
yeah. This is what I'm talking about. Your ribs are kind of a little bit glued together here. It's okay.
Mm-hmm. No, it's good.
We're going to open it up. But yeah, you will be sore. All right, here we go. Sorry. I can feel the piece of glue in there. It's like, oh. It's your body's, it's like it beefs it up because it's being compressed.
Yeah.
It's trying to save itself from just collapsing. You know what I mean? Your body's not stupid. Down the leg. Nothing in the leg. Okay. But just, yeah.
Haha.
Sorry.
You're good.
I'm done.
You're good.
Done. It's like, do I do this or do I just leave it? I was like, no, let me just get it. It's the same thing though. I'm fanning the muscles out, the glutes.
Yep.
They call this, the way you remember it is sit on it. Please sit on it quietly. I know. The P is for piriformis. See, these are all the muscles. So here's please sit on it quietly. Quadratus femoris. So they're kind of like a fan and they go from the sacrum out to the hip socket. So I want to go this way to smooth them out. But then look at what you got right here. You've got gluteus medius. Anyway, that's on the side. Take it from the sacrum where it starts and fan it out towards the leg, towards the hip.
Mm-hmm.
When you're working on yourself.
Mm-hmm.
See, it goes like this one. And then right here, the piriformis, that one is one that just really, because of posture and how we stand, it just loves to get very tight.
Yeah.
And guess what runs in there? The sciatic nerve.
Oh.
So this is the one that I really kind of, you see me beating up, because that sciatic nerve is there and you want to get rid of that. But hey, you're doing fine. Look, that release, it let go. Never had an adjustment, Hector. What does it feel like when you have an adjustment? Great. Right. You ready to hear the popcorn?
Am I?
Or you're like, I don't know. It's my body. You'll be fine. You're not going to fall, I promise. Okay. Now head goes back. Relax. Here we go. That's all that is. Other side. Okay. So we're going to go off the, almost like you're falling off the table. I've got you. I'm going to roll you towards me. I promise you're not going to fall. Okay. This one, I really got to roll you.
Okay.
So I got to come here. Yep, there's part of it. There it is. Okay. Whew, you did it. All right, so you're going to push out against my arms.
Like this?
Yep. And push out a little bit more. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then squeeze. A little bit more.
Oh.
There you go. Yeah, the whole ilium here is not rocked.
So feel it. I'm okay. I swear I'm okay. It just shocked me for a second.
I wasn't going to tell you either.
Yeah.
Because like, when I tell them, they're like, nope.
Yeah.
But it's like a process of elimination.
Okay.
And if I didn't do that one, it's like parking in this way.
Okay.
And I'm not bothering to swing in the back end.
Okay.
This right here.
Uh-huh.
This one.
Oh, okay. And it's
So this was rocked. Well, no, on you it was rocked forward this way.
Okay.
It feels weird.
Yeah, it does.
And you're like, I still feel it.
I still feel
Yeah.
it.
Right in here, she's saying she gets numbness and tingling, so I want to make sure that this is unlocked. So there's the end of that one. We're going to reach behind. That will stretch open a little bit more so I can get a little deeper. There it is. And you're like, why did I say this is a problem? If you tell me it's a problem, you know I'm going to at least check it out. Woo! Check the bicep tendon real quickly. So anytime you okay?
Yeah.
Just so you go. No, anytime that you're feeling this numbness, work on these.
Oh, on these?
See, look, you have nothing. Bicep tendon feels normal, and then, oh no, you get to the delts.
Yeah.
A little bit of the bicep tendon on the medial side, but right there.
Yeah.
So you get like a tennis ball, and you go up against the doorway, and you just lean into that trigger point right here.
Okay.
It's still real tender up there on the right.
No, actually it feels, I used to feel like I couldn't even touch it, and now it feels good.
It feels more normal.
Yeah.
Okay. There's a few more exercises for the neck, but
Mm-hmm.
otherwise I think we did our job. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Cut!